The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2. Zero stands out in the rapidly growing e-bike market, thanks to its powerful performance, versatile design, and user-friendly features. With a peak motor power of 1400 W, it promises an exhilarating ride that can handle both urban commutes and off-road adventures. After thoroughly testing this bike in various conditions, it's clear that it excels in multiple areas, making it a worthy contender for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike. First and foremost, the Ranger 2. Zero is built for power and speed. The 1400 W peak motor provides impressive acceleration, enabling riders to quickly reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This kind of power is particularly noticeable when tackling steep hills or when you need a quick burst of speed. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend adventure, the bike's performance is sure to impress. The motor's responsiveness and torque make it easy to navigate through different terrains, including gravel paths and city streets. Equipped with a 48V20Ah lithium-ion battery, the Heybike Ranger 2. Zero offers an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a single charge in pedal assist mode. This aspect is a significant advantage for those who frequently cover long distances, as it allows for extended rides without the constant worry of battery depletion. The charging process is straightforward and relatively quick, taking about 6 to 8 hours for a full recharge, making it convenient for daily use. The design of the Ranger 2. Zero is another highlight. It features a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that provides durability while remaining lightweight. Weighing in at around 70 pounds, it strikes a good balance between being robust enough to withstand rough use and light enough for easy handling. The adjustable seat allows for a customizable fit, catering to riders of various heights. Additionally, the bike comes with a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smoother ride even on bumpy roads. For added safety and comfort, the Ranger 2. Zero is equipped with front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power. The brakes are responsive and provide confidence when navigating downhill or in wet conditions. Furthermore, the bike features bright LED lights, making it suitable for nighttime riding and enhancing visibility for both the rider and other road users. The Heybike Ranger 2. Zero also boasts a user-friendly control system. The LCD display provides essential information, including speed, battery life, distance traveled, and various riding modes. Riders can choose from 3 different pedal assist levels, allowing for a tailored riding experience depending on their fitness level or the terrain. The throttle-only mode is perfect for those who may not want to pedal at all, making it accessible to a wider range of users. One of the standout features of the Ranger 2. Zero is its versatility. The bike is designed to handle a broad range of riding conditions, making it suitable for city commuting, leisurely rides, and off-road adventures. The rugged tires provide excellent traction, ensuring stability on various surfaces. This versatility is invaluable for those who want a single bike that can serve multiple purposes. However, like any product, the Ranger 2. Zero is not without its drawbacks. While the bike is equipped with quality components, some users might find the weight to be a bit cumbersome, especially when lifting it or maneuvering it in tight spaces. Additionally, the price point may be higher than some budget options, which could deter entry-level riders. Nonetheless, the features and performance offered by the Heybike Ranger 2. Zero justify the investment, particularly for those who prioritize quality and power. In conclusion, the Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2. Zero is an impressive e-bike that delivers on its promises of power, durability, and versatility. Its peak 1400 W motor, ample battery range, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their riding experience. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or a newcomer to the e-bike scene, the Ranger 2. Zero has something to offer.